Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll teach you how to calculate the discount in less than a minute. Don't worry, using your phone or laptop, search software Sutra.com. I've also attached the link in the description. You can always go and check. If you visit this website, so you will find a driver app section. Click on that. It will redirect to this page. And if you scroll down a little, you will find a discount calculator option here. Please press on that. It will redirect to this page and you can see the original item price. So please type the amount you are calculating for the discount. So I'm looking for like 8,700. So the discount I wanted to calculate is 39%. So it is 6,262 I have to pay. See, before discount it was 8,700. After discount 39%, it minus 3,393. So the tax is 18%. You can also change the tax. Like if the tax is only 5%, so you can also check here the net total savings and the final checkout price is this. Again, if you want to recalculate the price means like I'm looking for the 10,000 amount and the discount rate probably 62% and tax is around 18%. The total amount the EMI can be the discount price would be 448 rupees I should pay after the 62% discount plus tax. We have also have the two more other options. So if you are free, you can also go and check out. And if you find this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe. And one more thing. So we have the website. We have a plan like we are planning to put 100 plus free tools in our website where people find difficult to manage the tools or find the tools for the daily operations. They'll be switching from website to website or apps to apps for access this. So we have already built and posted online. You can also check, you can also explore the other tools. So soon we'll put 100 plus free tools. You can always come and check the options you are looking for, and soon we are here to serve you all the free tools we are gonna make. Thank you so much.